guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications to give me that huge thumbs up. I'm gonna crack this box open for you guys. Here are all of the toys that I have. I have Play-Doh, a fidget spinner, a tractor, a puppet, a jar with an egg inside, some flaming hot Cheetos. As you can see, there's a dump truck in there. Let me put it close inside so you can see. And there's a car down at the bottom that you can see. Okay, we're going on a commercial break. Be back in a few minutes. And we're back. Now, I'm going to show you what toy is my favorite. I think my favorite is this. This is a dump truck. Let's see, pull it back. Okay, we pull it back. Okay, let's try this again. We pull it back. It rolls. And it does all sorts of different stuff. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye. Oh, and also, we're gonna do a field. We're gonna do some activities on May 25th. So stay tuned for that. And goodbye.